The biggest problem of the Jimny is the fuel range and the only 40-liter fuel tank. We need a solution for more fuel because I like to do more remote travel and off-road travel and probably Iceland this summer. To have a place to store more fuel, we're gonna install a roof rack today on my 2005 Suzuki Jimny. Hi, my name is Victor Bart and this is my Suzuki micro camper / overlander. My current roof setup is great but doesn't have any capacity for fuel. If you want to see the details, check out my previous video. After some research, I decided to get the Front Runner roof rack kit for the Suzuki Jimny. It's not cheap, but a solid platform which can be modified to your needs. It comes in two boxes. One box is the roof rack itself, the other box is the mounting kit. Everything is included, you only have to put it together yourself. It's like an IKEA bed, but then on top of the Jimny. Here we have all the pieces. This is the piece that goes between the roof rack and the Jimny, so the support mounts. Then the front and the rear piece, the side pieces. We have plastic corner pieces, the wind deflectors, and here we have the 5 slats for the roof rack.
Hi, my name is Brittany. I'm a friend of Victor. I was gonna film this video, but we're gonna build this thing together.
This video is made possible by VK4 Sint Anneland shop here in the Netherlands. It's the place to go if you want to kit out your overlander for travel. They have a big showroom where you can see the products if they fit your needs. You can plan out your build together. If you don't want to build and install your roof rack yourself, you can use the installation service of VK4 Sint Anneland. But they also install winches, bumpers, rooftop tents, etc. VK4 Sint Anneland is a one-stop shop to kit out your overlander. So the final look on my masterpiece, the no roof rack solution, and it was working well with solar panel on the light bars and the max tracks. And it's now time to take this off and install the Front Runner roof rack. This is the biggest disadvantage of the handrails on the Suzuki Jimny. This part is completely plastic. If you put like a rooftop tent on this, it just will break off. And also these threads here are only M6. So let's put some copper grease anti-seize compound on the bolts to protect them from rusting. And the roof rack comes with this protection pads that go on here. The rack is on the Jimny and the bolts between the support bracket and the roof rails are not tight yet because we need to find the middle position of the rails and then tighten it all up. So here we have 6.5 centimeter and here we have 1.5 centimeter. Yes, perfect. I said to Brittany, I know a very good spot to film, but the weather had other ideas. It's storming here. It's a week later now and I really like this roof rack. I drove around for a week and there was no wind noise from the rack itself. So I've installed the first things now already. That is my max tracks on here. and I put it with a ratchet strap, but I made some brackets to hold it in position. And you can buy some original Front Runner brackets for the Maxtrax, but I like building things myself, and this rack is the absolute perfect base for DIYing your rig. The reason why this roof rack is so awesome is because all the possibilities to mount things, and it's done with M8 bolts. And the way how it works is all the slats have grooves in it and round holes, and in the round holes you can drop an M8 and you can slide it in, and the channel here is made that it doesn't rotate. So then you can just take some rings, for example, if needed. And then this ring that I bought in a boat store. Screw it down, and now you have a mounting point for a ratchet strap or another accessoire that you need to hook in here. And if you want to place this on another spot, simply slide it to the other spot, tighten it down, done. And if you want to remove it, go to the opening and you take it out. So all the slats have the M8 slots, but also on the bottom you have the M8 slots. Put it in, slide it to here and tighten it down. The front and rear has slots on top and on the bottom, and to mount screws in it you need to remove this plastic corner piece, but also this side piece has a groove on top but not on the bottom, but there are already some pre-drilled holes in, because you can install it fully with slats if you want. So you don't have to drill in this roof rack to mount accessoires, and that is what I like. So I can make my own accessoires and just bolt it on here with M8s. I have a few things that I don't really like about this roof rack, and this is the plastic corner pieces. They are not even flush here, and I don't get it why they don't make it out of aluminium. It's probably a cost saving thing, but the roof rack is 1,025 euros here in the Netherlands for the Jimny. So it's already not a cheap option. So just make this also aluminium and ask 25 euro more for the whole rack. The roof rack is made out of aluminium, and that was one of the reasons why I chose this roof rack. Only what I was a little bit disappointed about, the mounting kit for the Jimny is not made out of aluminium, it's made out of steel. So I was a bit disappointed about that, because you pay a lot of money for it and this can easily made out of aluminium, and that it don't get rusty in a few years. And by Susie's place I saw some Jimnys with this roof rack, and they were installed for a year or something, and the screws here was already rusting away. So the screws are not so high quality. That is also a bit disappointing. I made my own mounting brackets for the Maxtrax lights. I just secured with a bike lock and a ratchet strap. I made two brackets out of box steel. I put M10 bolts on both ends to hold Maxtrax on the roof so they don't slide around. And here I have M8 bolts that secure this bracket to the roof rack. And right now here on the rear I have my 5 liter jerry can. It's just a dummy that you can see what I want to do here on the rear, and that is put more fuel in it and use a ratchet strap to hold it in place. I use the slot system to mount the rings here, where I hook in the ratchet strap to hold fuel in place. And my plan is I want to have like 4 jerry cans of 10 liters here to hold 40 liters of fuel. Okay, now two very stupid things about this roof rack that doesn't make sense. This is my antenna of the Jimny, and I cannot extend it because there's a roof rack in the way. Who designed this? Why? And the other thing is also really stupid. I got 5 cards with the quality control checks of Front Runner. And why is this logo not lined correctly up with the roof rack? Why? But that is not the only logo that is not lined up. Here on the rear, same story, it's not lined up. Why? let's fix this logo. We first gonna take it off. And then we throw it away. So, fixed. In general, the roof rack is super solid and I love the slots in here and the versatility. I have my next trip planned. It will be a long weekend to Denmark because the yearly VK4 Suzuki travel will be there. So if you like to see that video, please hit the subscribe button and like this video.